Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you 10 best thoughts for school assembly. So let's get started. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom and success. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. The only limit to a realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Strive for progress, not perfection. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel. Bye.